In this video, I'll show you how to upload files in Asana. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to a task. Now, this could be either on your project section or just simply your task. I will head over to the left-hand side. From here, let's choose our projects. Once you click on projects, it will show you the overview of all of your projects. I will do it on my first project. From here, you just want to select a task where you want to upload your file. This will be task number 2 for me. On the right hand side, it will show you the task information. And from here, you want to scroll down. And at the bottom, you want to click on the plus sign beside attachments. Now, this will add an attachment. And from here, you can either upload, select one from Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, or Dropbox. I will upload. At the bottom, click on choose a file. That will open your files. And from here, on my downloads, let's say I want to add a basic text file. Once you do that, it will automatically add that attachment. Now, let's say you want to get all of the attachments in which you have uploaded within a project. So just simply head over to the top, click on the plus sign to add a tab. And at the bottom, below other, you want to choose the third option, which is files. Now in here, it will show all of the attachments of the tasks and messages in this project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.